Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media. Top New Collection Coffee Grinders Reviews 2026. Number 4. TIMEMORE Chestnut C3 SPRO Manual Coffee Grinder features a 25G capacity with hand-adjustable steel core burr for precise, consistent grinding. Durable and portable, it includes a cleaning brush, smooth operation, and reliable performance for espresso, pour-over, and daily home or travel coffee brewing. Number 3. 64mm commercial coffee grinder features stainless steel flat burrs for fast, uniform grinding. Quickly detachable burr and powder channel allow easy cleaning and maintenance. Precise quantitative settings ensure consistent dosing, making it ideal for cafes, restaurants, and professional coffee brewing environments. Number 2. Specifications: number of grinding levels, 11 or more. Power source, electric. Power, W, 48W. Housing material, aluminum. Model number, Edge. Type, Burr grinders, conical. Brand name, Star Seeker. Origin, mainland China. Number 1. Espresso K Ultra Portable Manual Coffee Grinder features adjustable precision, durable 304 stainless steel burrs, and a special 7-core burr for consistent grind. Compact and travel-friendly, it delivers smooth operation, fast grinding, and excellent flavor control for espresso, pour-over, and French press brewing at home or outdoors anywhere. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.